Hi, my name is Eric Freeman. Welcome to eclass. And today I want to make a quick video just talking about the credit card food chain. Now, when I say the credit card food chain, I'm just meaning that there's different levels of credit cards that you can have that you can utilize for different types of reasons. It's going to be a real quick video. Just want to get right into it. I have my credit card collection here, and all of these aren't made equally. The Capital One Platinum Secure card, you go use this to build up your credit. Now, typically, like I had to do, and like I see a lot of people do, you're gonna have to pay for this card. They're gonna want to deposit, and they're gonna give you a card in exchange with that same amount, with that same credit card limit. There is a way that you can bypass this card and not have to put the money down. And I have to find somebody that trusts you enough to put you on their account or their trade line. What that's going to do is basically establish a relationship with that bank, with you, through a medium, which will be the person that gave you the trade lines. Now, here at eclass, I do offer trade lines. If you look here, all of these are trade lines. You got to make sure that it's a clean, pristine account that that person just has laying around and is going to benefit you from being on there. Another entry-level card, the Discover It card. This card is going to be the card that comes with a lot of perks and bonuses. Every 3 months, they have a particular type of purchase you can make. They're going to give you 5% cash back, 3%, 1%, whatever it is. But if you do that in the first year, whatever cash back you run up from buying stuff you was going to buy anyway, they go match it. So if you got, like me for instance, I had like $175 of cash back in that year. So what they did was gave me another $175 on top of what I cashed out for. So I got double. And I don't have a very high limit on this card, but I know that Discover is going to protect me and their customer service is immaculate. I'm going to say the best entry level card you can get. And you don't got to pay for Discover cards, but you do have to have a particular score. This is the Quicksilver card. What was the benefits? Did it even come with any benefits? Move on to the Navy Federal More Rewards card. Navy Federal takes care of the people who have accounts with them. When I was able to get in, I opened up a checking account and a savings account. I established accounts with them. Then after like a month or two, I said, hey, let me get a credit card. I already at the time had, I believe, 2 or 3 credit cards. So they were able to pull and see that I paid my bills. But when they gave me this, unbeknownst to me, I was establishing a relationship with not only Navy Federal, but American Express. So that was a real important thing about this card. And this card, you get points, just like American Express. You get points. You run your points up. And you can cash those points out for a lot of different things. They're not petty with the limits. They look out for you. They give you some bands. They're basically just a good bank to go through. Nothing extraordinary, but the simple fact that they can hook you up with Amex and they're doing underwriting on whether they want to give you the card or not, it gives you a good chance to establish a relationship with a really big bank. So, moving right on. Chase Amazon Prime card. You got decent credit, Amazon will give you a card, but this particular one, what I did it for was because I wanted to establish a relationship with Chase Bank. So I did that, got that, now I got Chase. You know, I mean, I don't know if there's a bank out there that I don't have, but you see where I'm going with this. You want to be able to go to all of these banks and say, hey, give me the money I need. And when they say,
well, why should we give you the money that you need?
You can say, here's my account. I've already established a relationship with you. You know I do good by you. So that way you can weigh your options. This is a Symphony Bank card. Let me tell you how I did them. I'm a little bit cold because I have the amount of credit that I do have. Without having any business credit, it's cold. And the way I'm working this stuff is cold. The Symphony card, this is a care credit card. So if you go get your teeth did, they'll 9 times out of 10 offer you a Synchrony care credit card. Something that I had the money in my pocket to pay for. I just put it on the card, paid it off, you know, and half of the time that I had, not even half, a quarter of the time that I had to pay it off. And then what I did once I paid it off, I'm like, well, I don't really care about this card. Let's see how I can play with it. I asked them for a $10,000 limit on this card. When I first got it, it was only like $1,200. I'm like, hey, how about y'all give me 10,000? And they just gave it to me. And I think that this particular bank, they're gonna give you that limit because they think that you're gonna need it for health reasons. But you could still use it on anything. But have I tried to use it on anything? No. But what I did do is up my available credit that reports to my credit profile by another 10,000. That's how it works. Synchrony Care credit cards, and I damn sure worked them. That's the absolute word for it. All right, boom. Now we got Wells Fargo Reflect card. This is a balance transfer card. They give you 18 months of no interest, meaning that all you gotta do is make your minimum payment, or you got 18 months to figure out how you're gonna pay your balance off. And if you do it all, you're not paying the bank no extra money. I'm establishing these relationships with these big name banks using these credit cards. They can look and see all of these banks, especially the big name ones, saying that, hey, he's good, give it to him because he paid us our money, so why wouldn't he pay you? That's the whole thing about credit. Moving on. This right here is called a charge card. The difference with a charge card and a regular credit card is they expect their money at the end of the month. These cards, I'll start with this. The customer service gets 0. All of the benefit stuff, get an A+. American Express, they're going to give you the best point structure that's out there. You'll end up going on vacation for free with this, shopping for free, getting hotel rooms for free, getting rental cars for free, all type of stuff for free with these cards just by using them. Literally, this is the card I use the most just because of the points. Moving on to my favorite bank. This is my favorite bank. This bank, I don't know about you. I don't know about your baby daddy. I don't know about nobody else in this world. Citibank. Citibank is it. Customer service gets an A1. On top of when you get a Citibank card, which the double cash card is one of their entry level cards, but I don't know, they just keep giving me more and more and more of a limit. And then once I got like real big in this one, that's when they came with this one, the Diamond Preferred. They gave me the most money at the time. This is actually an older credit card. It's not one of my newer ones. This is like one of my first, but they're still my favorite bank because they take care of their customers. Now I went through basically with all of these cards, what the differences of them are, and how you can utilize them in this video. But it's up to you to understand. And reading that paper that come with your card in the mail, reading it, understanding the guidelines, understanding what they're going to allow, understanding what they're not going to allow, and using it to your personal benefit for your financial situation. That's how I did it. Literally. I did it with credit cards. And this has worked for me in things outside of credit cards, like personal loans that, hey, I'm about to try to make this flip real quick and I need amount of money that I ain't never had in my bank account in my life, and I went and got it. Did what I had to do, gave the money back, and it was nothing. Or going to buy a car and being able to negotiate because the finances ain't the problem. The problem is, hey, do you want to sell this car for cheaper, or do you want to go next door? All type of things. I bought my couch on a credit card. My couch, couple $1,000. They was going to charge me for financing in-house, and I said, well, I got this card that I don't have to pay interest for 12 months, and I definitely will pay the couch off in 12 months, so just put it on here. Boom. Saved me $200-300. So there's ways to use this stuff that if you use it and you got different selections and different types of cards that you can use for particular situations in your advantage, you'll save hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. And every one of these cards got a different use, and just I'm doing it. So quick video about credit cards, eclass. Hit me up. It's 2022. Of course, we're going to be revamping the company again. I got a lot of new things that I'm going to be rolling out for the new year. And I'm excited about how much I'm going to be able to help people in this year. This will be my second year of experience. So, like I said, shout out to everybody that participated, clients, people that ask questions, people that watch the videos, all that. Shout out to y'all. You guys really helped me understand how to how to do the business and how to run it the right way and how to make it not a headache for myself. So I helped a lot of people. I helped a ton of people last year, but now we're going to push the envelope to the next level and really, really help some people take it to the next level. So peace out, eclass. Holla at you.